His software automatically boosts engagement on your Twitter posts. First, select Viral Marketing and choose the Seeding Tweet feature. Here, you can use the same settings as I do. I will search for a few Twitter post links that need engagement, then copy and paste those links into the software. Once done, return to the software and select the features you want. Click here to prepare comment templates based on structure for those tweets, then hit save. You can add hashtags simply by typing the desired word, no need to include the pound symbol, then press save. Finally, if you want to tag someone, click here, enter their username, and hit save. You can choose to avoid duplicate comments if you have multiple unique contents. If not, allow duplicates. After setting everything, select the category containing your Twitter accounts, then click Load to display them. Finally, press Start. The software will now automatically control all Twitter accounts to interact with the target tweets just like real users, boosting your post trend ranking and credibility.